welcome back to round 2 of our Boxycharm unboxing. I just previously did a Boxycharm unboxing for 2 boxes, my base box and my premium box. And again, we come back now with another base box, but this time it's different because the first 2 that I did are my PR boxes, and this one here is my paid box. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one, but if you guys haven't seen my first one, I will link it up in the cards up here, the iCard, what do you call that? iCard. And then I'll also have it at the end of this video, so in case you guys wanna check out the different variations that there are. But we're gonna go ahead and get diving into this. I'm gonna keep this intro short and sweet like always, because I know how much you guys like that, and all the information that you need about this bad boy is down in the description bar. So let's do this. You guys know when we did our first unboxings, for this month, sure, you guys seem to really see that I wasn't super excited about them. So I'm hoping that this one's got a little bit more oomph to it. This month's theme is all about love, which I'm very excited about. Let me know what you guys do for Valentine's Day. We aren't doing anything. I think we might. I bought the kids some stuff for Valentine's Day, and that's about it, honestly. We usually don't do a whole lot for Valentine's Day. I mean, he always brings me, my husband, in case you were wondering, not just he, not a random man, but my husband always brings me like strawberry, chocolate dipped strawberries. That's just something I really enjoy. And then we always buy a really, really nice bottle, my favorite really nice bottle of wine, and we call it a night. And the kids and I don't have school on Monday, so I can have an extra glass or 2 if you know what I mean. So the first thing I see here is the Tula. This is the probiotic skincare so poreless deep exfoliating a blackhead scrub. This is actually something that I did get in the very first box, spoiler alert, in case you hadn't seen it already, but I did get this already in that box, so I still haven't tried it. We're gonna try it out, and if I like it, I'll keep it. The next thing I have here is by Trestique. This is the Trestique Eye Mascara. So it comes with the Good Vibes Mascara and the eye pencil. I do have the mascara. They sent me this in one of my boxes also, so I do already have one. I think it's just the mascara. It's a little interesting to use because you have to do it in small sections, and I've pinched myself doing that. I have used a lot of Trestique products in the past. They have some really good like creamy eye pencil sticks, like those kind of things. I think those work really nicely. There was something else that they also had. I think it was like a concealer or something a while ago, like a crayon concealer that worked really nicely as well. The next thing I have here is the Perfect Primer Base. This is a matte finish. Again, another product that I was actually really impressed to try out because this is a matte finish and it's kind of something that's like all over. This is natural, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and toxic-free. Now, because I do have one of these, I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side so somebody else can try it. The next thing I have here, again, is another product that I did get in my last box also, which is the Glamour. This is the Glamour makeup bag. Let me show you mine because I do have it right here. But it's basically the makeup pouch, which I know some of you guys said you guys were getting also. And then once you open it, you do get 5 little makeup brushes. And I was telling you guys in my video, I was very excited about these because it does have the little, you know, hearts inside of the faces, which I thought were super adorable. But since, again, this is my set, I might just pass on the other set to a friend or something. I think these are really cute, and I really like them, and I think they would be cute little, like, gifts. The thing I have here is a eyeshadow palette. Finally. Man, I was complaining about that in my other video, that I really wanted more makeup, but I finally got something. This is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. Really like the cover of this. It says it has 15 colors that are meant to inspire fun and creativity and perhaps make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Ooh, this is pretty. This is giving me more jungle vibes though. Let's go ahead and pull out some swatches because I definitely want to see how these brighter colors are. Ooh, some of these are pretty. Ooh, this yellow one. This is very much summer vibes. I get like jungle-esque summer. Ooh, this raspberry looks beautiful. Yeah, it's going to be hard for you guys to see these swatches because they're so bright, like in person, that I feel on camera they're definitely not going to translate as well. I'm good with having a colorful palette because when I did my eyeshadow declutter, I'm pretty sure I decluttered quite a few of my colorful shadows, but here you have it. So the swatches aren't doing the eyeshadow palette justice. They don't look as bright. They are colorful, and definitely the mattes do not do very well on, you know, the hand, but the eyeshadow palette itself is very bright. If you are scared of color, this probably wouldn't be your favorite palette, although you can definitely work with this palette. I mean, there are some like orange tones that you can work with, and especially with like summer stuff, hopefully, you know, we'll get to do more summer stuff, more than what we did last year, but you can at least run some of these like on your lower lash line or use them as like a colorful eyeliner. You know, even some of these like more muted colors, like right here, these two, this one, this, and then maybe the metallics in here could definitely be played with just as an eye look itself, and it's not super bright. Obviously, like the more brighter ones are gonna take some time to build, but I can appreciate it. I think it's a beautiful palette, and I think there's a lot of potential in it. So we've had some really bomb boxes in the past that definitely outdid a lot of these boxes. So I would say that this box is kind of ranked in the, I mean, like if you were to say the best box versus the worst box, I wouldn't say it's in the middle. I'd kind of say it's maybe a little bit below the middle ground. Like, is it the best box ever? No. Is it the worst box? No. But I've had boxes that are amazing before. So anywho, let me know down below, but do you guys feel like we got our boxes a lot earlier this time? Like, I was very impressed by how quickly some of these boxes have came in already. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will take the time to subscribe. And before you leave, please try not to leave. Maybe check out one of my other new videos that I just recently posted. Thank you guys all so much for the love and support for everything. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the evening. And I will see you guys all in my next video. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.